Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Kuthabiso Munyana ubuyile ku-first starting lineup se-Kaizer Chiefs. Just earlier on nje ubhale statement esi-important esi-touching kakhulu bafethu, watheka nabanye abadlali be-Kaizer Chiefs ovele bayo. Nasi statement sakhe bafethu, isiNgisi then ngizosichaza ngesiZulu. Uthi the reason why you want it so bad is because the version of you in the future already has it. The burning desire you have, that's not random. That obsession that won't leave you alone, that's not by accident. It's your future self calling. That pull you feel as in wishful thinking. It's majestic. You're already drawn to what's yours already. The desire is the receipt and wanting is the proof. You wouldn't crave what isn't meant for you. This is why it feels so real, so inevitable, which much more like remembering as opposed to imagining, because somewhere in some timeline you already did this, already became this, and already have this. The gap between now and then isn't creation, it's just time catching up to what already is. So stop questioning if it's possible and start asking yourself, how fast can you get there? That thing you want so bad is the reason why it won't leave you alone. The reason why you can't stop thinking about this is because it's already yours. You are just walking toward a future that is walking towards you. Now, meet yourself there. I mean, the powerful statement masibheka bafethu ukuthi lana nje uyasitshela uThabiso Munyana ukuthi into oyifunayo noyizwa ngaphakathi kuwe ilandele, and so don't stop fighting. You have to keep pushing for it because leyo nto eyakho already. Ukucabanga kwakho nokuyibona into kusho ukuthi sokuwe yakho already. Just nje wena isikhathi nepace yokuthi ufike kuleyo nto leyo. Le nto leyo ifilayo ngaphakathi i-obsession ngeke ikuyeke. It's not by accident or ngephutha ukuthi le nto lena iza kuwe noma ifuna wena. Kusho ukuthi wena kumele, I think you have to be focused and ukwazi ukuyigijimisa into yakhona ukuthi ukwazi ukuyithola. I mean, it's a powerful statement for yena umfana. I mean, I think i-reflection yakhe ukuthi udlala kanjani inside the field of play, uyabona ukuthi yena ukudlala kwakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs akusu just ukudlala nje every game i-personal nanokuthi uyafuna ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. We know ukuthi there were questions asked about his signing yakhe nanokuthi why Kaizer Chiefs isayine yena, but I mean, if we sit back and reflect and analyze ama-performances wakhe siyabona ukuthi uyi-player important kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, because every time when he step inside the field of play is willing to give everything that he has for a team, which is very important for yena umfana ukuthi deliver week in and week out for i-Kaizer Chiefs whenever is given an opportunity to play. Sometimes umuntu mebuya kuma-injuries ubuya i-player different, but guess what, not uThabiso Munyana. Thabiso Munyana ama-performances wakhe ayafana for i-Kaizer Chiefs, forever hardworking. And what I like about uThabiso Munyana bafethu ukuthi u-eda ispeed ukuya phambili, even naku-defense ugood. I mean, i-combination yakhe noVilakazi, ngibonile uVilakazi amphasa lapha ku-space wa-assista ibhola, i-good cross or i-cutback for uShabalala lelishaye laphana phakathi igoli lokuqala le-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyabonisa lo mdlali lona ukuthi u-serious ngempela and uyafuna ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I think abanye abadlali mabanga-adopthi i-mentality yakhe umfana, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs ingasho ukuthi izitholele i-player ngempela, if noma banga-adopt i-mentality yakhe bafethu bakwazi ukuphusha as i-team, bangakwazi ukudlala, that's for sure, bangakwazi ukudeliver bonke. Imagine if like bonke bangacabanga kanje, bangabeka i-team phambili, wonke umuntu onika opportunity ukuthi adlale bafethu akenzeli i-team i-favor, but-ke ulwela i-future yakhe just because of Kaizer Chiefs akusho ukuthi sefikile. No, you have to keep pushing, you have to keep dreaming about izinto higher and greater things. I mean, there's no reason ukuthi bona bangaphuphi nge-league, there's no reason ukuthi bangaphuphi ngokuba ama-continental champions wa-CAF Confederations Cup. I mean, they have to keep believing and pushing, and ukuba nabadlali abacabanga kanje kufana nabo Thabiso Monyane ku-important kakhulu bafethu, because of bayakwazi ukusiza i-team nokuphusha i-team ukuthi bathole ama-results. Baningi abadlali okumele bacabange njengoThabiso Monyane. Statement sakhe sibaluleke kakhulu, si-touching, sisibheke amanye amagama awashilo la a-important. So uyasho ukuthi nje uma ucabanga ngento isikhathi nje it's catching up on you, yinto okumele uyenze vele. Kusho ukuthi akumelanga ulokhu ubuza ukuthi, so ungalokhu ubuza ama-question, but nje kumele ubuze ukuthi how fast can you get there, kusho ukuthi ukwazi ukufinyelela noma ukufika ephupheni lakho, because of iphupho bafethu linikwa wena because of amadlozi akini noma uNkulunkulu, kuya ngokuthi wena ubhilivelani. Le nto inikwa wena ngoba bayazi ukuthi bowuzokwazi ukuyihandle. So if wena you abandon noma uyalikhohlwa iphupho lakho, that's a big thing, in fact that's a negative. Kumele uqhubeke and uliphile iphupho lakho, ngoba iphupho lakho liphilisa nabantu abaningi. It's not just about you. I mean, imagine ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, living your dream and keep fighting for better days and ama-results ukuthi ujabulise abantu abangakanani. I mean, baningi abantu abaney'nkinga zabo, but-ke the moment babukela i-Kaizer Chiefs for that 90 minutes, they get to forget about everything, just focus on the game. And the happiness yabo idependa kubantu abadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs abaningi, millions of South Africans. But-ke amanye ama-player, they can't grasp this thing. I saw i-interview ngisaw ilo, I remember kungcono lento le, I think uCole Alexander, if ngikhumbula kahle ukuthi utheni. Yes, uye bafethu uCole Alexander. Uthe isikhathi sakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uthi wafeyila nje laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, so ubuyele emuva, and then beka-emotional about ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs because of udlale small, and then uthi wastruggle nge-pressure yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs. Nawa amagama akhe umfowethu ukuthi laphana uthini. Uthe into ayi-regret-ayo noma azisola ngayo ukuthi wafeyila laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukudila ne-pressure ku-Kaizer Chiefs, nanokuthi nje abe well equipped to what was about to happen. Uthi-ke he wasn't enough. Uthi-ke bekanganawo ama-solutions enough ukuthi adile nale i-pressure ukuthi adlalele i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi nje khumbula, when it comes to umsebenzi, if uyodlala laphana ePolokwane, you have to deal with ama-pressures like are different with every team oyidlalela. Bekadlalela kuPolokwane City, obviously makaya ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-pressure be-different. Uthi mefika laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs umsindo from outside, uthi uhlezi ukhona, and uthi bekangekho ready ukuthi akwazi ukuhandle yonke leyo nto leyo, nama-pressure okudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, nokuthi baba-criticize kakhulu. Uthi to be honest with yena, wafeyila laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, udlale small, uthi bekakushell yakhe, wazama, uthi uzamile ukuba ngcono, but-ke e-Kaizer Chiefs wafeyila. I mean ukhuluma into straight, indaba straight, ukuthi wahluleka like ukwenza izinto right laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi akakwazanga ukusucceed. Uthi amathulusi i-Kaizer Chiefs babanike bonke amathulusi ukuthi basucceed, uthi but mentally uthi-ke akakwazanga ukuhandlela umsindo, and uthi abe in tune with everything. Kaizer Chiefs uthi banike wonke ama-resources ukuthi babe right abafana. Uthi khumbula lokhu kuyi-important, uthi as a player i-Kaizer Chiefs ithandwa ama-fans kakhulu, and baboni ama-fans anothando olu-serious for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi-ke if kunama-meetings ne-management, ama-management bahlezi babatshela ngama-fans ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi bajabulise ama-fans. Uthi as ama-professionals kumele babe right, they have to equip themselves, or uthi ourselves, to be able to deal with ama-pressures. Uthi-ke ungazama uku-avoid i-social media, but-ke umsindo uhlezi ukhona, somehow uzofika kuwo. Uthi-ke uma udlala laphana egrawundini, you already thinking ukuthi ama-comment ku-Instagram azothini. Uthi-ke something, if like wenza iphutha, uyazi ukuthi vele bazokungenelela. No, ukhuluma iqiniso ngempela umfethu, uthi kunzima kakhulu laphana ukudlalela i-team efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Already like i-pressure nje yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, ne-pressure yokuthi kumele udeliver. Uthi even like abantu like bama-Uber bazokudilivela ukudla, but-ke bazokuhleka uma babona ukuthi awuwe lo we-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi maybe bodlala kanjani. So ukuthi-ke kubalulekile ukuthi bakwazi uku-separate-a umsindo, but-ke uthi you can't really separate the two cause i-pressure uthi manje uma uyi-professional ku-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ube right mentally and physically ukwazi ukhandlela zonke izinto laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.